Death to death row. This is record A. You don't really want no beef, let's get the record straight. It's wartime, and we don't play. Got a team full of hitters, we like MMA. And I'm highly paid, smoke highly grade. And I ain't talking highly grow, but I'm highly made. Amire Creed, I've been a G. You niggas small talk, we in the big leagues. And I don't give no fucks, I set my team hard. We going all if you want it bar for bar. Shout to my nigga Cairo, shout to my nigga Lit, shout to my nigga J Money, yeah we in this bitch. I said hey Chanel, you want some new Chanel? My name carry weight in the city, bitch I ring bells. This is a new era, so go on and do better. They know I chase cheddar, and know I mean well. This is record 8, Death to death row. I'm setting a record straight. Death to death row.